So why you see the Python as a programming language is most of the AI LLM job description. Okay, let's talk about Python. See, Python came back in 1989, 91, that specific time. If you go back and see a Dutch programmer who specifically, he looked on this as a pain, a problem, right? In that specific problem, he saw that we read code more than we write. And we read the code. So that time, there was even I did work on the programming as well. That was C and C++, right? So C was not that, that easy. Definitely Python is not easy, maybe, whatever. So what I'm trying to say is that, that every time, different professionals, they have different view to see the things, and they find a gap and provide the solution. So back in the time, in 1990s or something, that specific Dutch programmer, his name is Guido Rossum. So that programmer basically worked and developed a language where he felt it should be easier. It should be easy to understand, easy to read, easy to write, easy to compile. That was the specific point he picked it up. And when the language got introduced, I don't know how those specific things happened, how he basically communicated in that specific time when there was no internet. Maybe he would have gone to conferences, he would have gone to university, or maybe there was a very strong need of a alternative language or whatever. So that specific language got picked up, many different people, right? So maybe on that specific time, somebody has written Java, or somebody has written, some different language, maybe the language ABC or language easy language, whatever the name they would have given. He has given that language to Python. I have no idea why he has given the name to Python, but he has given the name of Python. So how I see that thing, so that specific language got adopted across the community. When the adoption happens, adoption got introduced across the world. So Python automatically became a well-accepted language. Addition to it, the communities got developed, Google got adopted, various industries got adopted. And then, when they adopted that specific language, its versions came, more attention came into it. A lot of organizations, they are giving, funding in this specific language, sponsoring it. So it became active because it is again a program, right? Under the HOTTS compiler, it may have, several different things which constitute a programming language. But the end of the goal of programming language, it's to convert the code into the machine code so that your operating system, which we have, there's Windows operating system or Mac or whatever, they can understand, they run the code and give you the output the way computer works, give you the output of logical output as a part of the application. So getting back to your answer is, if you're asking this specific questions, why the Python programming do you use across? It got well adopted. It exists since last 36 years. It came out that specific time when there was a very few programming language and C++ was not easy for everybody to understand. Python came. So it got adopted across the world. But now the question is, you have the another question, how this got chosen? See, different company, different business, they don't choose, just go and keep choosing the Python because they need it, right? It depends on their choice, it depends on, who's developing the solution. There are multiple cases. They don't go and, keep selecting this is best or that is best. One of the core key reasons, where we chosen a specific language is because that specific company got a culture of that using only one language. They chosen Node.js language because they just want to, they did not find the strong developers, or they did not have the applications who required, go to the multiple language. They just thought, okay, we are just application development company. We just need Node.js. So whenever we find, a professional, it is automatic that he would be knowing TypeScript, he would be knowing HTML, he would be knowing CSS, those kind of things. So it's easier for us to use Node.js kind of thing. So choosing languages is not something which language itself says we choose it. It's on depend on the person, on the business, how they are working on it. And if you are seeing definitely that AI LLM, everywhere the Python is everywhere mentioned that you must know the Python because it got adopted very well. And if you see the tech industry, the community of the tech industry, we call it as, a community, a open source community. So most of the people, even like me, right? If I would like to experiment a specific thing, I would go and pick Python. It's much easier. I just write a script, test it, and understand how this works. So that would be my first step. And I also see, with Python, I also see, all of the libraries, NumPy, Pandas, so many libraries related to data science, related to, specific packages, right? So I'm not saying just jump on language, just jump on, specific library. But anyway, you have to understand it, experiment it, what input you are giving, what output is getting out. So see, a lot of experiments, a lot of side experiments, a lot of learning. Even I use Python language. So I'm not, it does not mean that because Python have advanced capability as well. It has Django-based framework where you can write, REST APIs and do multiple things. Django means this Python also provide, like this on the ETL when we do the data pipelining kind of things, right? Python also provides its own framework, let's say the FastAPI or, it also provides, for REST APIs, a library. So it depends on case by case. I won't be explaining here why you should choose it, but I'm just saying it has a good existence. And most of the IT developers, professionals who really know to work on this computer science area and where they do work in multiple things, for the business, for the company, or for their professional, they use Python. It is like either research professionals, either the people from computer science background, either the common students, they touches Python. They need to just write the script, read the code. They can write an English statement like a language and learn it and go for it. So that's the reason it. But if there's any specific point which I have not covered in this answer, please feel free ask at the comments or whatever the way you would like to reach me, and I would be definitely answering this question. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.